NetSuite Release Preview 2022.1 Overview plus opt-in to get a release preview account. Alright, so if you're new to NetSuite, there will be new releases twice a year. So you can see here on your new release portlet, which is standard on home screens, you will notice that you have this portlet and it gives you information here, right? So it says here phase 3 mid-April, right, is when I'm expecting an upgrade on my account here. Actual upgrade date and time will be available 3 weeks prior to your upgrade phase. Release preview, please opt in to get an account. To check status, go to setup company release preview. Alright, so I'm going to show you now what that looks like. So here it talks about your release preview, my company name, opt-in required. So if you do not opt in, you will not get a release account. So I suggest you do this. There's no cost, it's free. So to be honest, I can't see any reason why you would not opt in to get a release preview. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click this button. It's going to take one moment, and now it says subscribed. Okay. Alright, so I will go back home and I will just talk through in this overview about these options. Now you'll notice that this 22.1 overview and the sneak peek really takes you to the same page, right? So that's essentially the same thing. So on this sneak preview, it is a some high level details of what's new, right? So you can see the project 360 dashboards brings together all aspects of a project into a single workspace, right? Ensure there's adequate cash on hand to meet company commitments and objective. The Cash 360 dashboard provides views on your cash position and help forecast near-term cash flow using NetSuite transactional data, as well as projected collections and disbursements. Now, I'm quite excited about that. Historically, NetSuite has not been very strong in cash flow, so I will go and make a more detailed video about this one. New WMS features offer more efficient warehouse operations, including expanded tally scan capabilities and zone picking, new pack station capabilities to bulk pack and unpack. Alright, so you will see that they go through these high level improvements there. Once you get your release preview, you can go there to find your release preview, or you will be able to hover there and you will see here will be an account that has an RP in there. Okay, release notes. Here are all the details. I will go through these in one of the videos that I will make after this, but there's a lot of detail in there, so that is really important. Right, release preview guide. Right, here is quite a bit of detail around testing, templates for testing. I will make a video about that one as well. And then you've got your training resources, right? Which will essentially take you to Suite Answers, and there we will see a whole bunch of videos around this new upgrade. Now my internet is a bit slow, so it might just take a minute. Right, and here you could see here's a whole bunch of videos. Here's your 2021, your previous upgrade, and there is the new one. And I will click on that and you will see the videos that are available at this point in time. Alright, so here you can see your 2022.1 new feature previews. There's 13 videos at the moment, and I will touch on some of them in the videos that I'm going to make after this. If you enjoy my videos, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.